Welcome to the Shorts Geo Awareness. In this one we are going to learn how to make an anchor to scroll straight down to another area of your website. When my visitors press on this button, I want them to go straight down here. Organic products. So I will click the wheel of row settings. I go to Advanced, CSS ID, and I give a name to this specific area of my homepage. I will call it Organic. Save changes. Then I scroll up again and I edit the bottom, and in the link I will write down hashtag organic. Save changes, save again, and exit the Visual Builder to test. There we are. When I click on this button now, it scrolls me down straight to 100% organic products. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date for very handy short tutorials to work on your WordPress Divi website. See you next time.